Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today's video is all about the ultimate practice drill which improves aiming, cue action, cue ball speed control and concentration. This drill is great because it helps you at short time practice several areas at once. Let's get into it. PDF checklist 71 overall technique points. In this checklist there are 71 points on how specifically you can improve your overall technique. It's free. If you're interested, make sure to fill out the form. You can find the form below the description box, and I will send you the checklist to your email or phone number on WhatsApp and Telegram. How to set drill. Put the color balls on the spots and keep all reds close to you. It will help you reduce empty walking time around the table. Shots should be played into 6 pockets against the clock direction in order. All shots must be played with a stunt shot, straight shots, tiny angle shots from the right and left hand side. 3 shots into 1 pocket. All shots should be played around block line distance apart except a few shots which I explain later on. Start with the right middle pocket and after 3 successful shots move to the next pocket. If you miss the shot or miss the stunt shot, continue and repeat the same shot until you are successful. After you finish with the yellow ball, you play green ball, brown, blue, pink and black afterwards. Exceptions from the rule. The last pocket ball for the yellow, green and all blue ball places cue ball longer distance than normal shots. It would be help because it allows you to avoid playing with rest. Also, some black ball shots will be awkward cushion shots. Tips for use. Keep your feather smooth and gentle because it helps you to feel correct cue ball speed and deliver cue with the better quality. Align your body and head properly into the straight aiming line so you could spot balls better, or you will miss few shots as I did in this drill. How long drill takes to finish? Usually it takes from 1 to 3 hours. If you are beginner or intermediate, it will take longer, and if you are advanced player, it will take shorter time to finish all 112 pots. Every color spot requires 18 shots. Recommendations: do this drill 1 or 2 times per week for the couple of months consistently. Even after first try, you will notice a great positive change in your technique and concentration levels. Benefits: ability to see and pot straight and slightly off straight potting angles, ability to feel a correct cue ball speed for any given shot, middle pocket and long potting skills, awkward cueing shots around black ball spot, discipline and concentration levels up. Any level player from the beginner to advanced will have their benefits. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and find this helpful. If you have any questions or insights, let me know in the comment section. Below the description box, I have an active link to a global WhatsApp group community you can join. And I also provide training programs that might improve your game even more. Have a great day folks, and see you very soon.